Hi, it's Brooklyn.
And it's Melissa.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Callie's sister.
Oh my god.
No
way. No way.
We're from Cali, so
Yeah.
it's like totally the same thing, you know.
Yeah, no kidding, you know.
Friends.
Anyways, Brooklyn, what'd you do last night?
Oh my god, went clubbing.
Oh my god, so did I.
Did you?
Yeah.
Were we at the same club?
I think so.
I totally saw you.
Really?
You were wearing that really cute black metallic miniskirt, were you?
Yeah, I was.
Oh my god.
And you were in that really cute high boots denim mini skirt.
Oh
right?
yeah, I totally want to borrow your skirt though. Totally.
I want to borrow your skirt too.
Oh, you
And
should
you had that beautiful shimmery tank top you had on last
Oh my
night.
god, it was silver.
And your hair was so cute.
Oh my god, it was curly.
Oh my god.
See, this is leftover from last night.
Yeah.
Not much curl left.
Yeah.
But,
And
you know,
that jewelry,
whatever.
where'd you get that jewelry from?
Oh my god, you don't want to know.
Oh my
It's
god,
a
I
secret.
do.
It's a secret, you guys.
Victoria's Secret?
No, not Victoria's Secret.
Oh, well, you said it was secret.
That was my undergarments for Victoria's
Oh,
Secret.
yeah, I saw that.
You saw that?
I
How did
saw
you
that.
see it?
It was see-through, duh.
You could see it?
I saw your bra.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, I mean, everybody can see it. Even those guys that were
People
staring
don't
at
think
you.
I'm a hoe now.
Well, so am I.
Yeah, you kind of are.
Uh-huh. So are you. I mean,
I
I
am,
saw all
but-
those guys that you getting phone numbers
Whatever.
from.
Was not.
Yeah, you were. You
We're
were like,
not.
I'm like, oh my god, look at me, look at me. Look how blonde and cool I am, and we're getting all these guys' numbers. I mean, come on.
I totally don't do that, okay?
Yeah, you do. You did last
No,
night.
I did not.
You
You
do.
didn't really see me.
Whatever. We don't want to fight about it.
Whatever, okay.
Anyways, what we are trying to do here is that we are trying to make a video, as you can see, of what we did in the past last night.
Yeah, totally.
Anyways, so Brooklyn, what have you been up to? I haven't seen you so much.
Well, I've been busy with like makeup and hair and looks
Really?
and clothes
Yeah, I
and
can
jewelry.
tell. I can tell.
Oh my god, where'd you get that eyeshadow?
I got that at a secret store.
Secret store, Victoria's Secret?
No, not exactly.
Oh, 'cause that's where mine's from.
Well, mine's better. Sorry, but that's why. Anyways.
What?
No, never
What?
mind. What?